Why is it dirty, Landon? No. Why is it dirty?
Coming up on our roots right here.
What does the end of that do?
This right here, it'll kind of go against the edge of the pipe and it'll pull away roots. It has these metal bits right here. Any scaling or buildup on the side of the pipe, these will actually just straight up knock it off. So even if it's like hardened to the pipe, these will scrape off the pipe. And
yeah, that's where that root intrusion was, and there's that hole, so we're just kind of picking out that hole and trying to get everything cleared out.
I gotcha. Getting it as smooth as possible for the liner to go in.
Yep, that's part of what we pulled out from it earlier.
What is it?
It's just root clod, dirt, mud, a mix of everything pretty much. So
Got it.
you can kind of see the end of that brush thinning right there.
Yep. What are you looking for right now?
So we just milled and jet. So what we're looking for is make sure the line's clean and good and prepped. And there's our hole. See that?
Oh yeah.
That's where the roots were originally coming in.
That's where they penetrated the pipe.
Yep. Camera, what's your time frame looking like? Because we're, gonna start getting the line prepped right now. So.
Hell yeah!
What do you got, Dallas? Yeah.
What are we doing now?
we're just measuring out how far in we need to go for our liner, and then
Hold that in tight.
shy.
You're so shy.
This thing's so dirty. What did they do to this? Oh my god, they didn't even clean it?
Why is it dirty, Landon? No. Why is it dirty?
Your dad said it looks like your van.
My van, I wouldn't say it's that bad, dude. His van is like a black hole. Not even.
And this is the bladder, correct?
Yeah, this right here has connected to this machine, and this has lights. And this is what inflates and lights up the liner.
We'll do our 5-foot section.
And what's the yellow stuff? Does that have something to do with the sunlight?
It can protect it from the sunlight.
Which is the whole reason we closed the doors and have the blue tent lighting.
Yep. Oh yeah, if we leave that on the sun, we can put it outside real quick. And
Oh, can I?
yeah, absolutely, yeah. Prep for surgery.
Prep for surgery.
Okay. We'll put that out in the rocks in the sunlight. And we'll give it about 5 minutes.
Right now it's very soft. Make it a little square.
Woohoo!
Is it already
Very
pretty
hardening
stiff?
up.
So that's why you don't want it to expose it to sunlight.
Yep.
It hardens real quick.
Yes.
Just like that, we're connected.
Alright, Landon.
Here you go. I am squeezing this as hard as I can. Not that I have great grip strength, but that is hard. Can't even wiggle it. This is why it cannot be exposed to the sun. And this is what lines the pipes.
I'm comfortable with you guys now, I guess.
You warm up very quickly.
Yeah, I mean, after a year, you know, you guys are pretty alright. You guys are alright.
So we gotta let that sit for a minute and then